So that magpie is waiting for my dog's bone. My dog's eating a steak bone. And that magpie flew down and took that steak bone from my dog and flew over there to those trees. And my wife went over and had to fight that magpie to get the dog's bone back. So then the magpie flies back, and he's sitting up in that tree waiting for the chance to swoop down and take my puppy's steak bone away. I mean, in a second, that bird took the steak bone.
Come on, Belle.
Okay, she's moving the dog. Let's see if he's fly. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. He's getting it. See, there he goes. He's getting the steak bone. He's getting the steak bone. Oh, Monty, he took the steak bone. He took it. He took it. He took your dinner. He took your dinner. Did you see that? He took your dinner. That was mean of that magpie. Yell at him, Buddha.